What's up everyone, it's Sufan from Techcycle and it's going to be a very good occasion because it's going to be our 100th video in our YouTube channel. So it's going to be a special week and I'm going to do a studio tour of our small makeshift studio, which is this one, and also I'm going to introduce you to our members Salman, Rashar, Arun and Saurav, who are the host of this channel. So let's begin with this tour. So about this studio tour, guys, it's our makeshift studio, so it's not a good studio. It's a little bit a moderate studio for us. And about the intro, it's also a scripted one. So let's begin the studio tour. It's the green screen. Just should have short for you guys. It's the green screen and black screen. We got black cloth over here, green cloth over here to remove the background and give the background we want. Also, if you remove that, we can get a white screen. So it's like three different background for us. So this is the background, and we just place a table over here and we sit over there. We use this tripod. These are some local tripods. We got a small one here. We got a little bit big one here and a small mini gorilla pod on my hand, which is on this action cam, which you can see. And about the lighting, we got two wire and a bulb holder here for giving the front light. If I say, I will just use it if the shot is not clear. We got two light over there to give the light we use. We mainly use these two light only. And on this side, we got the table we use in front of our video. These are all this stuff for the action cam we just unplugged, and this is my phone, laptop charger, and here we got the Rashad. Here we got the Rashad who is editing and short film we shooter. This is not going to be available soon. And it's the PC we use, it's a laptop. It's the Acer Aspire E1 which is not good. It got an Intel HD 4000 graphics, 500 GB of hard disk, and it's running Windows 10, and we are using Premiere to for editing. It's not very good, but we can edit 720p videos, so we are using that. We got the mouse, hair dryer, and all sort of things we use for our college. And here we got our SSD. This Toshiba 1 TB hard drive. We just store all our software there, no copy of our videos. And here we got Salman. He is just acting with this gym set. And about the gym set, we often use this for the body workout. That's all about the studio tour and the tripod. So it's our mini studio. Next, I'm going to introduce you to our other tours, that is Arun and Saurav. So let's go and meet them. Here we got Saurav, he is learning the script for his next video. Here we got Arun, who is doing the musically. And talking about Arun, he is not in our Techcycle channel, he is doing his videos on Techcycle Madan channel, which is our native language channel. So I will leave all our channels in the description. You can find all our channels in there, and I will leave his musically profile too. You can follow him on there, you can find all his funny videos. So that's all about our studio tour 1.0. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you next one.